Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 19th of February, Blessing Friday 2021. We had amazing volatility, amazing analysis, and a beautiful trade. Most of the traders bank amazing profit, especially Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Alright, so just before that, I would like to mention this is purely for educational purpose. My whole objective is to explain how we train traders with a live market, how we help them through live intraday analysis. So let's dig into the system and let me share with you today's trading activity. Just quick recap, traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open and at the New York session, and all of my live analysis recording instantly available in the training section, and also broadcast those analysis in the analysis section. Once the opportunity is raised based on this analysis, we broadcast that information instantly through live RG commentary. And based on today's analysis, you can see my traders bank 260 pips, beautiful pips. Before I jump into explain to you those pips, let me share with you the opportunity as we discussed yesterday, especially on Euro USD. Let's move on in 4-hour. As you have seen, if you haven't seen that video, the link is given my yesterday analysis review in the video description. All right, so yesterday, as you seen that I mentioned about this level, as I said to you, the price was at that level. If the price is going to respect, then probably going to be seeing long and the first and the final target, as I mentioned, and the price nicely hit to the final target. So moving forward, what we can see here is, if you look at here, the price respected this level previously. Yeah, so what we're looking here, another pullback, and if the price develop pullback, then we're going to be taking a pullback long here, and the target would be this level. And if the price going to break this level, then we're taking a pullback short trade here. So we have this daily support and the daily resistance. So we'll let you know on Monday about this opportunity, but that's what exactly we're looking. If you look at very carefully, you can see this is up channel is developed. So let's see, because if the price is going to respect this one, then we will consider this one as a false breakout, then probably going to be taking a pullback long. So we'll see on Monday. All right, so pound dollar, let's see what happened here. Okay, so pound dollar, as you've seen that yesterday I mentioned about price broken and price retest. We had this long trade and then afterwards, as I mentioned here, this is pure price action. You can see the price broken the previous high. So we were looking at pullback. We had it beautiful, and we had this breakout. We banked beautiful pips. Price nicely hit to the 140 level. That's what we're expecting from last couple of days, that price market might going to hit this level. Right now, you can see inside candle pattern in decision mode. So on Monday, we are looking if the price gonna stay above this level, which is 140,000, then probably is gonna hit 141 or 142. And if the price gonna break this level, then probably gonna be taking a short trade. But as I mentioned, that we have certain rules in order to take a counter trade that we apply in intraday. So right now we have this analysis still valid. We are looking this consolidation breakout. Even the bullish momentum is decreasing, but we'll let you know about these opportunities on Monday. Let's move on to the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, you can see that on yesterday, Thursday, as I mentioned in 4-hour, that we are looking, this was the level we were expecting. You can see here previously, price respected previously, we had this pattern. So if the price gonna respect, then probably gonna be taking a long, otherwise breakout and be taking a pullback short. So that's what happened. We had a beautiful pips short trades on pullbacks on today on dollar CAD. As you can see here in intraday, we have this breakout, afterwards all these pullbacks and beautiful short trade here. So these three pairs, and let me share with you today's few pips. You can see the best trade we had at 57 pips on dollar CAD. If I show you this one, again, this was based on the analysis opportunity. This was a pretty straightforward. As soon as the price broken and retest, take a short trade. As you can see, as soon as the price develop a double bottom, that's why we take the short trade, because the price was at the daily support level at this level. That's why we close over trade. Beautiful 57 pips. and we technically we open a 2 trades. We closed one at 35 pips as soon as the price reversed, and the other one we closed and made a few more pips on 57. We also had a long trade on EURUSD, as I mentioned you yesterday about the breakout and pullback. As you can see, after this pullback, beautiful price nicely hit to the profit target, 57 pips. The only losing trade we had, that is a -13 pips on pound yen. You can see most of them dollar CAD, EURUSD, and we taken in pound yen. This was again breakout trade, pretty straightforward. You can see breakout long trade. All right, so let me share with you the today's intraday analysis. As you can see on the EURUSD, we had this analysis we mentioned in yesterday that we were looking here pullback, and you can see here, let me change the color, so we can see here beautiful pullback, and you can see here that's what we taken. As I mentioned, based on the 4-hour, this is the intraday in system which we used to entry, because you can see the momentum was bullish. So we taken this pullback long trade, and our final target price nicely hit profit target. Then afterwards we did another New York session analysis because the momentum was bullish, so we're looking another pullback. So we have another beautiful pullback as soon as the price about to hit the previous level. That's what we explained to side traders, to either you can move your stop loss at the break even, or you can bank some profit, because the price might going to develop double top, and the probably is going to be reversed because the price reached to the daily almost to the previous high in 4-hour. And that's what we explain in real time to all of our members through live audio commentary. Let's talk about the pound dollar. Pound dollar was a pretty straightforward one trade. As you've seen in 4-hour, we were expecting a pullback. We had this yesterday as in my previous analysis. If you haven't seen it, watch that video. We taken these pullbacks. Afterward, this morning we had this breakout. So once the price broke on the resistance, obviously we're looking at pullback. So you can see here we had a beautiful pullback, beautiful long trade, only one analysis, beautiful pips. And if you look at the dollar CAD, that's what exactly we made a beautiful pips today. That's pretty straightforward. The price developed this pattern, and based on that we had this breakout. Afterwards we announced and we mentioned to traders all pullbacks as long as the momentum is bearish. So once the price broken that structure, then we just jump all the pullbacks, because that's we consider high probability trade as long as the price stay below this orange EMA. So you can see beautiful short trades. And afterwards, this is the London morning session. You can see here, this is the New York session analysis. We explained to look for another pullback short here, which price nicely developed as soon as the price hit to the previous low. That's time we mentioned to our trader, it's time to exit and bank beautiful pips on dollar CAD. So this was another beautiful consolidation breakout, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the London morning session. We had a beautiful long breakout, long trade, bank beautiful pips. At the New York session, of course, after the breakout, look for another pullback. As long as the momentum is bullish, we have taken another beautiful pullback long trade on pound yen. So that's what exactly we have a lot of analysis, but for the time you have very short time. So basically I just mentioned you those opportunities which we discussed on yesterday. All right guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis details. So if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside all the trade updates through live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, our objective is to train trader with the live market. We provide all that education material which you required. We basically trade price action trading, but we have our own intraday system, but our education is completely in real time. So even if you are struggling it, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skills very fast and quickly through the system. Or even if you're an experienced trader, because as I mentioned, always this is purely price action trading in 4-hour, but we analyze market entries and exit in our intraday system. And I'm pretty sure if you are experienced trader, you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day alongside with our professional trader. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, have a nice weekend and stay blessed guys, and see you on Monday with another analysis. All the best.